In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring expenses in QuickBooks Online 2026. If you pay the same bills over and over, like subscriptions, utilities, or a fixed monthly service, setting them up as recurring expenses saves time and keeps your books consistent. Let's walk through the exact flow so you can create a reliable template you'll use again and again. Start on your QuickBooks Online homepage. Open a new expense so you're on the standard expense form. From here, look for the option to make it recurring. Select Make Recurring, and QuickBooks will convert the expense you're creating into a reusable template. Give your template a clear name. Use something you'll recognize later, like the vendor and purpose. This name is only for you and helps you find the template quickly in your recurring list. Next, choose the template type. If you want QuickBooks to create the expense automatically on a schedule, pick Scheduled. If you prefer a reminder you approve each time, choose Reminder. Unscheduled is best for templates you fill in manually as needed. Select your payee. This is the vendor or person you pay for this expense. Then choose the payment method. Open the drop-down and pick cash for this example. If you normally pay by card or bank, select the option that matches how you actually pay. Consistency here makes your reports cleaner and your reconciliations easier. Now assign the expense to the right category. Click into the category field, start typing the account name, and select the correct one. In this case, choose payroll expenses. Accurate categorization is essential for good reporting and tax readiness, so pick the account that best describes the cost. Enter the amount you'll be paying each time. If the number is fixed, put the exact value. If it varies, you can still set up the template and edit the amount on individual transactions later, but a fixed amount works best for fully automated schedules. Set your schedule details so the timing is right. Choose how often the expense repeats, monthly is common, then set the next date it should post. If there's an end date, you can define that too. Double check the interval and next run date so it aligns with your billing cycle. When everything looks good, template name, type, payee, payment method, category, amount, and schedule, save your template. That's it. Your recurring expense is ready and QuickBooks will handle it based on the schedule you set. You can always revisit your recurring templates later to edit, pause, or delete them if anything changes.